Hi Sarah, how are you today?
Hi Aisha, I am fine, thank you. How about you?
I am good, thank you. I was thinking we should practice our English conversation.
That is a great idea. What topic should we discuss?
How about we talk about our favorite hobbies?
Sure. My favorite hobby is reading books. I love reading novels and learning new things. What about you?
I enjoy cooking. Trying out new recipes and experimenting with different ingredients is very fun for me.
That sounds interesting. What kind of dishes do you like to cook?
I like to cook traditional Pakistani dishes, as well as some international recipes. What about you? Do you cook?
Yes, I cook sometimes. I like baking more. Baking cakes and cookies is very relaxing for me.
That sounds delicious. Maybe you can teach me some baking tips sometime.
Of course, I would love to. And you can teach me some cooking recipes.
It's a deal. Let's keep practicing our English like this every day.
Yes, practice makes perfect. I am glad we are doing this together.
Me too. It is always fun talking to you, Sarah.
Same here, Aisha. Let's continue our conversation tomorrow.
Absolutely. See you tomorrow.
See you.